This is my how-to video of making a rocket-propelled dragster from cardboard and broken toys and just stuff around the house that I had. Now you're going to need ruler, pencil, spray adhesive tapes, scissors, the X-Acto knife, stuff like that. So this is the basic look of the dragster from just a cardboard, how it would start. In the back here, let me open this up a little bit, a little easier to see. So that's the basic layout of how this dragster looks. Right here is the center where you're going to have your weight from the motor and all that stuff. You kind of want that leaning towards the front more than the rear so it doesn't lift up. Once you do get your basic layout, your center line, you have everything designed how you want it to be, you would do all your folds. You got to use a ruler when you do your folds. Put it on the line, bend it, works perfect. Then you want to get that, once you do that, you get the nose taped in so you have your basic look of where it's going to be. Do the back, same thing, fold these up. Down here you have to cut these so they'll be flaps. Flap these in. Right there you're going to have to make a hole. It's got to have a hole back there because you have a parachute system or your rocket or whatever. It's got to fire out somewhere. Once you get it all like that, basically, then you have to do this center strip right here. Just like on this one that I did, you have to do that center strip. I put another windshield right here to kind of lift it up over the guy's head. All the drawing and artwork, you could just draw it, and then you flip it over, spray the spray adhesive on it, and then you can put it on your vehicle. This stuff, I used a ripstop nylon fabric that they normally use for making kites. And I like to put that on this because I think it helps keep it sturdy and together. You know, it's just cardboard. So now for the rocket system, what I had done is I put a rocket on the top. I felt that was the best place to put it. Right here is where the rocket motor would go. And here is the tube, the copper tube that I had put in. I guess you could do plastic. I didn't have any. So this right here lets the charge that pushes out the parachute. So the parachute system's on the bottom right there, and that's what this cap is. Once this comes off, it yanks out the parachute. Now, those tubes, just regular tubes from your aluminum foil, the brackets that I had put in here that are black, those are actually the holders that were for those tubes inside the box. These tires are just from an old RC truck that I had. I just took it off. I mean, you can see that it doesn't need a drive shaft anymore, but it works perfectly fine as wheels. For the front, inside here, I had stuck a giant bolt. And I drilled through it. So where I put this in, then you can screw this in, and it keeps that straight axle tight in the front. These wheels are from a dirt bike that I had found at the Goodwill for like a couple dollars, and they work pretty good. It's not the best. And I think that's pretty much it. I mean, on the top here, this is from a 2-liter bottle. You could do, you don't have to do that. I just thought it might be a little bit aerodynamic. Then I put a little driver in there. And I did the artwork on both sides. I thought this would be cool to have the Wile E. Coyote factory had made this, and he was like chasing down the Roadrunner. And I put like the bird seed there. Okay, well that's the basic on how to do this. You're gonna need glues, fabric. If you want to do this stuff, you can paint it. You can do whatever you want. Doesn't even have to be this body style. It's cardboard. You can make anything with cardboard. Okay, good luck building, and I hope it comes out just as nice as mine. Thank you.